Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Cat Central app is and how it is positioned. Cat Central is developed by Caterpillar Incorporated and is positioned as an equipment management and support platform for Cat machinery users, based on its official App Store listing and developer documentation. It allows users to access tools like parts ordering, service requests, and equipment-specific information directly from a mobile device, according to official descriptions. The app also provides machine health insights, including fuel usage, maintenance schedules, and fault code diagnostics for connected equipment. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Users can also scan equipment QR codes to find compatible parts, check availability, and place orders through authorized dealers, as stated by official sources. It may also include access to manuals, how-to guides, and support tools to help with maintenance and troubleshooting tasks. The platform integrates dealer communication features, allowing users to request service or chat with support depending on region and availability. This app may be useful for construction and heavy equipment owners who need centralized access to maintenance and parts management. For users interested in managing Cat machinery operations digitally, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.